Wife wants a pig liquor waterer. Let's figure this out. Well, since I have the absolute world's greatest camera, I can't see myself in the viewfinder. So that's because the sun's coming in and I'm just like, I mean, it feels good, but I can't see myself. So if I'm out of focus, sorry. Anyway, today's project is going to be a pig waterer. I'm going to use a 55-gallon drum. I'm going to drill a hole in the side of it, weld in a nipple, screw on a coupler, and then screw on the actual licking adapter thingy. So let's get to work. Okay, here's all the parts I'm going to need to make the pig waterer. 55-gallon drum. Now this drum was used for vegetable oil a few years ago. It's literally been sitting back behind the shop here for a while, so I got to degrease it, clean it out, and get it well, clean. And then this is the actual water, the pig liquor. So they lick on this thing. I think it goes like this, and they bump it or something. I'm not sure. And anyway, I got to put this in here, so it's going to be screwed into that adapter. And let's see if I can get this to set still. It'll be like this. So that there's your basic layout. This I'm going to drill a hole down somewhere in the barrel and weld it in, and screw these things on, and wherever it leaks I'll put some silicone. So let's get going. go. It's about a half-day project if you don't include letting it sit overnight with some degreaser in it. So last night I filled it up with, I had some Simple Green, I had some Dawn dish soap, put it in here, filled it up, let it sit overnight. That took all the light stuff off, which left the heavy greasy stuff off. I just didn't have enough to get a good concentration to clean that heavy grease off. Considered pouring diesel in it, but gonna be feeding pigs here and decided against that. So I got some Ajax out. Not a sponsor, I just happen to have a case of it. Long story. Went through with the brush, scrubbed it out. Actually went very well. Cleaned up nice. There's still the paint on the inside from when it was manufactured, so that's good. Cut the hole using a unibit. Screwed in. I just use a pipe nipple. Okay, put a pipe nipple in, welded that in place. My welding settings initially were too high, so I backed it down a little bit. I blew a couple holes in it, backed it down. The problem with that is you get cold welds. Took some sealant, put some sealant on the outside, put some sealant on the inside, let it set up a little bit. While I had it upside down, or I turned it upside down, I noticed there was some surface rust on the bottom. Hit it with the flapper disc, and then I got some cold galvanizing paint. It was on the shelf in there, so I just grabbed it, painted it all up, and then just assembled it. It's dripping a little bit out of the liquor part itself, but it's not leaking out of any of the joints. Anyway, is it perfect? Oh heck no. Did I make progress? Yeah. Now we can put about 50 gallons, 55 gallons worth of water out on the pigs and don't have to worry about them for a day or two. Anyway, thanks for watching.